she was the Connect 4 queen, so.
Leona Heisler cherishes happy memories of her late mother. Images of a life well lived help to soften the painful memories of her final months spent in a continuing care home where Heisler alleges her basic needs often went unmet.
I love that picture too. And she was making a face.
After a stroke, Norma Wensley was admitted to a continuing care facility in Camrose, Alberta, where her family alleges she endured 10 months of neglect. Her children are now joining advocates and calling for improved oversight within Alberta's continuing care system to hold operators accountable. Wensley died in February from septic shock caused by a bladder infection that went untreated.
My mom was 88 years old. I know she wasn't going to live forever. I'm not stupid, but she didn't have to die the way that she did.
The family's allegations against the Bethany Meadows care home are numerous. They claim Wensley was forced to spend her days in an ill-fitting wheelchair that left her fearful to leave her bed. They claim that bathing was minimal and their mother's hand, atrophied from her stroke, was often unclean, neglected. She experienced rapid weight loss and began experiencing chronic bladder infections. Heisler says they felt like they had to beg for care.
That advocating all the time, just like it was fighting for everything, just for the bare minimum care.
The family's complaints, documented page by page, have triggered a series of investigations. Provincial audits found multiple non-compliance issues, including a lack of infection control, bathing, and oral hygiene. Resident care plans were inadequate, and enrichment services like entertainment and religious care were non-existent. Provincial health officials declined to comment on Wensley's case, citing patient confidentiality. In a statement, Bethany Meadows management says compliance issues have since been addressed, and they remain committed to providing the best care possible. For Wensley's family, those assurances ring hollow.
I feel that they don't really have power to make anything change or hold people accountable. I don't think that happens very often, if at all.
Heisler says any improvements made came too late for her mother. She's calling for sweeping change in a continuing care system she believes is a little more than a warehouse for Alberta's elderly.
There's a lot of forgotten people in those places.
Wallace Snowden, CBC News, Edmonton.